Dr. Divya Rani, MLA, please call the attention of the Chief Minister.
Election the assembly assembly will continue. Continue
Speaker, sir. Fear and anxiety in the minds of farmers from Sattari Taluka due to frequent damage of crops by wild and domestic animals, adversely affecting their livelihood and stable source of income. A large part of Sattari Taluka is predominantly agricultural land, where farmers cultivate a variety of agronomic and horticultural crops. However, most land holdings are small and fragmented, up to 2,000 square meters, and they mostly grow paddy and seasonal vegetables. A significant portion of the land consists of encroached properties. Therefore, these farmers are not eligible to avail of infrastructure benefits like fencing, irrigation facilities, agricultural machinery and other support under the Krishi Card scheme. While the government consistently encourages farmers to become self-reliant in agriculture and allied service activities, many women farmers in Sattari Taluka who cultivate paddy and vegetables without hired labor are facing severe challenges as their crops are frequently damaged by wild and domestic animals, adversely affecting their livelihood and stable source of income. Maybe with a change in policy amendment, such assistance may be granted against a formal undertaking from the beneficiaries, that is the farmers, that they will maintain the provided infrastructure and continue cultivation for a minimum period of 10 years. Failure to comply as per
Honorable Member,
result in
you finished present.
Farmer because it is an encroached property, the land is encroached, they are alwara or whatever. Taji khatir under Krishi Card scheme, they are not getting facilities like irrigation facilities, fencing, and these are like small plots, 1,000, 2,000 square meters, and mostly women are the women are cultivating, bhaji roitat or some small crops like that. But the thing is that even fula आणि असेल पण ह्या just last month एक महिन्यानंच एक 10 दिवसाच्या आतून म्हणजे 2-3 पंचायतींनी एक टायमार असे 2-3 वॉर्डांनी सेम इश्यू झाले गवेरेडे आणि रानडुकर येऊन destroyed the entire crop जे तांणी रोयिल्ले. People are going into agriculture, want to grow and improve their empty fields, but because of this issue, it is creating a lot of financial issues for them. And under Krishi Card scheme, आमचे maximum farmers are over 5,000 Krishi Card asa, but आमचे हे जे थोडे Krishi Card asa under that scheme, because the land doesn't belong to them. ओनरशिप ना म्हणून तांकां फेन्सिंग आनी हे मेळना. तुमी तर कितें तरी मातशी पॉलिसी तर अमेंडमेंट केलो आनी एक अंडरटेकिंग घेतले की बाबा 10 वर्सां ते थंय रोयतले कित्याक सो दॅट टुमॉरो समबडी मे फेन्स अँड सेल द प्रॉपर्टी. तुमी तर ते अंडरटेकिंग घेतले तांचे कडल्यान की 10 वर्सां कंपल्सरीली देल प्लांट समथींग एंड देल हे सो ते तरी करून तरी तांकां खूब फायदो जातलो. नाजाल्यार जे पळय कोण आतां एग्रीकल्चरान हात घालता ते मातशी आतां फाटल्यान सरता कित्याक तांकां मेळना म्हणून बेनिफिट्स फ्रॉम द गव्हर्मेंट. मातशें तुमी पळया माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्याक सांगता.